Good morning, student. Now, today we will see area of trapezium. Last year you have studied the area of that square, rectangle, okay, parallelogram, then afterward rhombus, okay. So today you have to see the trapezium. What is the definition of trapezium? Trapezium means the pair of one pair of opposite side is parallel to each other, only one pair, then that is called trapezium. For example, this is ABCD is the quadrilateral. Here this AB is parallel DC only. This is not parallel. Okay, only one pair is parallel. So this is trapezium. Now here we have to see the formula of area of trapezium. So what is the area of trapezium? Here if we see this one. So you have to study this formula. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 into sum of length of parallel side into height. So now sum of the parallel side means which lengths? Here length AB plus length DC, and height means perpendicular. You can take either BQ or AP. We know the distance between two parallel lines is same. So one solve example we'll see, and then afterward we will start the exercise. Suppose this is the trapezium is given. Okay, the length of parallel side is given. This is 7, this is 8, then this is the height. Now we know the formula of this one. What is the formula? Area of trapezium 1/2 into sum of the length of parallel side into height. Now sum of parallel side are 7 and 8, height is 6. So 7 and 8 15. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Then 7 plus 8 15, and 15 3s are 45 square centimeter. Now here we will see two examples from this practice set 15.3. First and third. Second you have to solve. Okay. So many of the students, they not completed homework. Just some students, they are sending that homework completion. Those who sending that, I will write their marks only. Okay. Immediately I will write that marks. They are completed, and their marks are given in their mark list. Okay. So complete it and send it in time. Okay. So this first and third example we will see. Now see here. First example, your formula also written. Trapezium is what? This is the formula is length of parallel side. So first example, see here, in a quadrilateral ABCD, this length AB is 13 centimeter, DC this one is 9 centimeter, and AD this is 8 centimeter. So find the area of this trapezium. Now when we observe this figure, easily we can see this AB is parallel to this means this is the trapezium. So formula, area of this quadrilateral ABCD means trapezium is equal to 1/2 sum of the length of parallel side. Parallel side is what? AB plus length DC. Okay. This is the parallel side into height. Height means perpendicular. What is the perpendicular given? Length AD. First here you have to write the formula. Formula having the marks. Okay. So 1/2 in bracket. Okay. AB is what? 13 plus DC is 9 into AD is 8. One thing is important here. If from the bracket, if any number is divisible by 2, don't divide, because here addition. First you have to add and then you have to divide. But here multiply now. Here if division possible, divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay. So then 13 plus 9, 22 into 4. Okay. So multiply it. 88. So this is the area, and it is given in centimeter. So unit of this trapezium is square centimeter, and area of this quadrilateral ABCD is 88 square centimeter. Okay. Now another third example. This is the different one. Okay. See carefully. It is very simple. PQRS. PQRS is a isosceles trapezium. Isosceles means these non-parallel sides are congruent. Okay. Then PQ7. PM is perpendicular to this SR, and SM is 3. Then this is distance between two parallel sides, and this perpendicular is 4 centimeter. Find the area of a quadrilateral PQRS. Now we know this is the trapezium. Now this one isosceles trapezium means these two sides are parallel. If we draw the perpendicular, okay, here PQRS, here M suppose, here L will take. This is also perpendicular. So can we say these two triangles are congruent? Yes, these two are congruent because this side is equal. This is perpendicular distance also equal. Hypotenuse side test. These two triangles are congruent. So these two congruent. So this is 3. Then this is also 3. Now if we see this quadrilateral, this is the rectangle. If this one is 7, so this one is 7. So why? Because we want parallel sides now. The length of parallel side is not given. So for this, here we have to write, draw segment QL is perpendicular to side SR. Okay, this triangle PMS, directly you can say congruent triangle QLR by hypotenuse side test. Okay, we have to write the first reason. These two are congruent. So these two congruent. Therefore, we can say SM is equal to LR is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. And quadrilateral PMLQ is a, which quadrilateral is formed? Rectangle. This is the rectangle. Okay, this one is rectangle. Therefore, we can say PQ is equal to ML is equal to 7 centimeter. Here reason, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay, here you have to write reason. These two triangles are congruent. Here you can say corresponding side of congruent triangle. These reasons are very important. Where you apply any property theorem, then you have to write the reason. So we found it. So now we want total SR. Therefore, SR is equal to, this SR is equal to what? Suppose we say length SR is equal to SM plus ML plus LR, addition of this one. Here you can say SM, L and R. This ML between this is there. So SM is 3, ML is 7, LR is 3. So length SR is 10 plus 3, 13 centimeter. So we found parallel sides now. Perpendicular we know. So directly now here you can take area of this trapezium PQRS is equal to 1/2 into sum of parallel side. Parallel sides are, here parallel sides are PQ and SR. PQ plus SR into height. Height either you can take this PM or QL. So suppose we will take here PM. PM is given. So 1/2. Length PQ is 7. SR we found it 13. PM is 4. So check it. This 4 is divisible by 2. Yes. Divide. Then addition of these two is 20. Multiply by 2. It is 40 square centimeter. Means area of this quadrilateral PQRS is 40 square centimeter. I think there is no doubt about these examples are very simple. Here you have to write the formula and find the answer. Okay. So then only one example is remain in the practice set. 15.3 I think. 15.3. So you have to complete it and send it. Similarly, you have to complete your homework. That is very important. Homework having mark, you know it. Okay. Those who will complete, they will get the marks. Complete it and send it. Okay. Thank you.